Well, got a little bit busy with work, so I haven't been able to go ahead and give as many updates lately as I would have liked. So, we're going to do a little quick recap of the bucket garden, see what we have going on. Right now, I do have to get these herbs into pots before they die, because that would be a horrible waste right there. I still have my pomegranate saplings, I guess, sprouts more or less, and we're gonna be spreading those out and eventually finding somewhere to put them. The hibiscus coming right along. I've been able to make quite a few cups of some hibiscus tea. I am going to be mixing that up with some of the lemongrass, some of the turmeric, some of the ginger, some of everything that I have going on here. So we have plenty of little nubbins starting to actually gain some size on our Brussels sprouts, which is good because these little guys came along after, and I'm gonna see how they end up doing. Now, briefly, when we had way too much rain, these I really thought got drowned. I thought they got killed. These are the Jamaican sorrel or Jamaican hibiscus, whichever you prefer. However, the big one, look at that. That's gorgeous. So pretty soon we should have some good stuff going on there. The beets, look at those leaves. We're getting big leaves. That's awesome because that is going to be greens on sandwiches and salads, sauteed by themselves as a side, and hopefully we get some good beets going on in there. The sage, after I cut it back, now it's looking good. That is big and bushy, which is what we're also going to do with this rosemary, which was a sprig off of the granddad right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut some more off because I'm still trying to learn how to prune that more into a bush, but it's actually thickening up, so it's coming along. Miss Banana Tree slowed down a little bit, but I mean, we're just getting into spring and summer here, so that'll be nice. It'll be nice. I'm gonna see how big it gets this year. Hopefully, we've only got a little longer to go. Alright, so we do have bifurcating lemongrass right here. That's awesome, because that's going to give us more to work with, more tea, more citronella oil, and that'll be fantastic. I have a feeling this corn right here is shot. It was worth trying. I knew it was the wrong time of the year, but I wanted to go ahead and just give it a go and see what happens in this climate. More little beet guys, just hanging out. Of course, gotta have some green onions for quick and easy. Then, more carrots, still going on. This, however, my onion bucket is really coming along nicely. That one onion that I planted has split into 4, and strong growth right there, really strong. So I'm really happy with the lights that I've been given, been tweaking them, looking at the reaction to the plants after about a week on each phase of the lighting, just to see where that goes, because the broccoli is starting to come up much better. There's a staining, not sure what it is yet, but I'll figure it out. I don't know what kind of little buggers got on there, but there was definitely some. The bees are really starting to like the Thai basil. So, a bit at a time, and apologies again. Haven't had the time to give you a proper update lately, but this is one of them. So, like, subscribe, follow along, and we'll see what happens when we throw down some of the next things. Because like I said, that corn, That's probably going to be on its way out. I'm going to plant another round and then some sunflower next. I want the giant sunflower. The big old faces full of seeds. Have a good one.